Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another 4-pointed rainbow color mandala. So I have started with the 6-inch dowel and I tie the two in a perpendicular position with a black yarn. And then I do my first square with the violet color. And every time I finish with one color, I will make a border with black color. Now I have tied a dark blue color or indigo color, which may not be visible in this light. I again make a square after that and do a border with black again. Now I have this blue color and I will show you how I go about from here. So I go around the opposite stake, go around twice and then come back down. I go around twice here also, and go to the opposite stick again. So this way I will continue. And then go to the next two sticks and do the same. After I finish all four sides, then I will make the square with the black yarn again. So I go around all the four sticks. This is one time I've completed, and now I will do the second round. So every time you finish with the color, you go around making the square with the black yarn 2 times, and then start off with the next color, and so on. You will see how the rainbow is formed. Now I'm doing the last, that is a red color. And then I'll go on doing the same thing with the red yarn on the opposite two sticks, and after I complete this, I'll go on with the other remaining two. After I finish with the red color, I will tie the black I'll make the square with the black one again, and after I finish making the square 2 times, I will finish up making the loop and also covering up the portion that is not covered. I'll clear out the yarns that are coming out and give it a more cleaner look. And now I am coloring the ends of the stick with a black marker so that it is not visible, and that's it. Now to keep the distances same between the squares or the same as like this one, the colors, then there are three tips. So one is eyeballing, like you see how much it's gone and eyeball to that extent. Second is you count the number of rounds you're going while doing it. Like I did 5 times here, 5 times here, 5 times here, 5 times here. And the third one will be you put marks on the sticks and then do the color till that mark. So that would be my tip. Any way you can do it, it'll look nice and bright and colorful. So thank you. If you have liked this video and want to see more such mandalas or any other craft, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.